In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Dell laptop. So if you want to go and download applications, the first thing we need to do is just open up the Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, and then click on the Microsoft Store. In the left-hand side, click on Apps. And from this screen, you'll be able to see a bunch of different applications that we can go and download. Now, some of these applications will be free to download and other applications will be paid. So what you can do is just scroll down this list and look at all the different categories to find the application you want to download. If you know exactly what application you're looking for, then you can always use the search box and search for that application. So for example, if we wanted to go and download WhatsApp, I can just search for WhatsApp, and then we can click on WhatsApp in the top left hand side, and you can go and press the blue install button to download this to your computer. Once it's finished downloading, you can open up the Start menu on your computer and go and search for that application, and then from here we'll be able to open up this app. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.